feet off the ground. This end, don't know what setup you have. TCVCG, G0OZS portable.
Yeah, okay, Ian, fine business. Well, it's certainly getting out okay. Probably better further afield than it is with me. But you're peaking to a good 9 into fairly fast QSP. I'm running a Flex 3000 with a small amplifier, about 150 watts. The antenna is a 20 metre double extended ZEP, which works on most bands. Ian, over.
All understood about the Flex and the double extended ZEP. Thanks for that. I do try and understand what works and what doesn't for engines. So good to know. So 7.3 is done, and thanks very, very much for the short QSO. I think I'm hoping M0FTP the Fetchford is going to join us on here in the not too distant future. So I'll try to keep the frequency warm till he gets here, HI. So 7.3 for now, Don. GCVCG, G0OZS portable.
Yeah, very good, Ian. Fine business. Okay, well, thanks very much for the short one, and good hunting. Hope you get plenty of contact, and enjoy the rest of the evening. 73, Ian. Catch you another day. From G3BCG. Bye-bye.
Golf November Echo.
Thanks also. We're here till about 5 o'clock when the museum closes. The Robotic Aviation Museum. QSS, this is Golf 0 Oscar Zero portable.
Golf 0, Golf November Echo, Ian.
Golf 0, Golf November Echo. Very good evening. Afternoon, rather, Robin. Just let me write the time down, 14:22. 5-9 signal from Elstone into Flixton. Back to you, G0GNE, G0OZS portable.
Very nice signal from you, a good 5 and 9 area, no problem at all. I'm at home and I'm on the Icom 7100 at the moment. I've just got back from having a float around in the lightweight. But there you are. So I've picked you up off the social media that you're up there. Good, I'm so pleased to have made it. I'm so pleased you're not on 80 meters, because at this time of day there's something that comes up on the timer and goes off at about 20 to 4. So it means that really that 80 is out for me for most of the day, which is a shame. But 40 is great, and 40 is very, very good. And you're a lovely signal, and lovely clear audio, and all the rest of it. Back to you from G0GNE Elstead in the county of Surrey.
G0GNE, G0OZS portable at Brixton. The choice of 40 metres was mainly determined by the space available, so we have roughly 20 metres from the civil defence trailer, which is behind that stand. When eventually the photographs come out, you'll see what I mean. And the end of the exhibit of various pictures, shall we say, items recovered from the field, for the rusty engines and things, so the antenna's over that. So we've probably got quite a good reflector under it, actually. That goes out to a corner near the road, which is 20 metres away. So end-fed half-wave seemed like a good antenna for the job. It's about 15 feet off the ground, so basically Envers, as I said, I think a pile of old engine and propeller blades probably actually provides some degree of reflection, but many of the same characteristics as the Ionoson HI. So we're running end-fed half-wave at 5 metres, Clansman 320, not much else to it. Sitting in a 9x9 tent, which we're very glad of, because we've been having like April showers. It's kind of come down for 10 minutes and then been sunny and winds repeat all morning, all afternoon. It'll be a bit better this afternoon. We've probably gone about an hour between showers since lunch. We're looking awfully black off towards Norwich. G0GNE, this is G0.
Somebody's tuning up there. Anybody want to jump in?
Foster standby signal from Golf 0, Papa Echo Yankee portable at the Suffolk Heritage Aviation Museum. Robin, absolutely fantastic signal, and you're still 5.9, really good signal.
We come down hard to concept here, but very quick. 555, Roger.
Cheating, as I say, I've got surrounded by military sets here and I'm using a civvy one, but it is 100 watts output and it's nice and easy to hear. At the moment...
Well, I can still read that consumption, but you've got to get on your knees, as it were, look in the cupboard in the hallway and press a button. You've got a choice of 10 buttons to press, but I know which ones it is now.
Brain trauma is terrible, it's all to do with radio. That's what the wife says.
Peter, okay, Peter. Okay, my name is John, hè. My name is John, Peter. Okay, Peter, geen probleem. Goeie signaal, de QTI is Waterloo, hè. Ik kan bereiken. Oké, bedankt voor de contact, Peter. 73, 73, goedemiddag, Peter.